Hey, what's going on, everybody? So listen, you guys should already know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys here to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where people just like you from all across the world to change your perspective on how you see the Forex market so that you can eventually trade the Forex market for profit, alright? Now listen, as I always tell you guys, very thankful to have you guys here. I realize that you guys could be doing something totally different right now, but you're watching this video and I have to thank you. One thing that I do believe in, whether or not you guys know, is that everything happens for a reason. I'm always messaged and I'm always told that, you know, someone referred me to your channel on YouTube, someone sent me to your Facebook or your Instagram, and man, you know, I'm very interested in what you have going on. So I'm very thankful to have this position of helping so many people from all across the world. Now, as I told you guys before in each and every video, if you're not yet connected with us on social media, of course, that's Facebook, that's Instagram, you need to get connected. You're going to realize that I have a lot of great content there. And then also, if you're not yet connected with us here on this YouTube channel where I have over 34,000 subscribers, you guys want to get connected with us here. Make sure you click on subscribe, that way you can receive content whenever I send it to you. And make sure you remember, we're over on Vimeo as well. Now, whether or not you guys know, we stand less than 2 hours away from the start of our VPAS training. All right, now this is a visual price action series that I'm going to start today. All right, this is going to be training for my students. You know, it's going to be jam-packed. We have a lot of stuff going on. We're going to cover, of course, our trade alerts and all that stuff. We have a whole lot of stuff going on today. Matter of fact, we're not even going to go through trade alerts today. We're going to do something totally different this week. You know, I want to make sure that people are able to have the price action wisdom before we even tap into trade alerts. All right, there's always going to be opportunities in the market. So guess what? You don't even have to stress yourself about if you think in your mind that you're going to miss out on opportunities because we're not going to have the trade alert training today. Listen, pass that over, you know, lose that thought, because there are always opportunities in the market. I want to make sure that before you even take up on, you know, an opportunity that I may find in the market as a viable reason to trade, you can see for yourself why I'm telling you the market should be going up, the market should be going down. Don't worry about that opportunity. It's not set up yet. I mean, you have to know the why first. And this right here, this visual price action training is going to help you realize that why. Okay? It's important that we know why we're trading. It's important that you know why are you considering getting in. All right? I don't want to set anyone up and thinking that, you know what, if you're going to get inside the market, you're going to make all this money. Yes, you can be up $300-400 today or right now, then you'll be down tomorrow. I mean, you'll be down in the next hour or two. So it's important that you comprehend why it's important, or why you should be getting into the market, why you should back off from looking at this pair or this commodity or this metal. You know, certain things like that we have to know in these markets. All right. Now, something that I want to make sure I'm clear with everyone. You know, this training is going to be an ongoing training. Although we're making the start today, we'll probably have this training going on for the next month or so, and then it's gonna be just like any other training that I have that we have housed in our members area. Later on in the year or so, we'll probably pick back up on it. We'll probably have a you know, 1 or 2 sessions just to add to our library in that you know, on that particular page. So I want to make sure that you guys know, you know, whether you join today or tomorrow, next month, next year, this particular training series will always be in our members area. And that's the fantastic thing about what I have to offer. I'm always, every session that we record, or every session that we have, I record it. And it's always housed, okay? And everything is live. So you're not joining just to sit and watch old videos. You have access to new content every week, okay? I want to make sure that that's clear. I'm always recording new videos. We're always, whenever we have a training session, it's always live. I'm not going to send you I'm not going to send you a notification link to get into the training, and you're just watching the video that's you know, post-dated or that's an old video. We're not doing that over here. No, you're gonna have a live training each time. All right. So listen, I'm very excited about this VPAS. One fantastic point that I want to make about VPAS is the fact that, you know, with a visual price action, this visual price action series, all right, this visual price action series, it's not something that it's almost like courage. Some people have it, and some people don't. You know, it's either you're gonna go after it or you're not. And that's what the visual price action series is. You know, it can't be duplicated. Myself, because I have this type of wisdom and I'm able to read the market as I do, I can break it down and I can explain it, you know, in this manner. And this is what I'm going to impart on all of my students. You know, so it's not something that I'm gonna. It's not going to be something that's going to be made available, you know, as a standalone item. This is something that all of my students, you're going to have access to this. I want everyone under the sound of my voice who's a student of the So Darn Easy Forex movement, I want you to be able to undergo this training and be able to, you know, retain this wisdom so you can better read the market. You know, I don't want you to look at, I guess the object of this training is for you to not look at an engulfing candle as, okay, if it's bullish engulfing, oh, then it's guaranteed to go up. That's not always the case, all right? And I'm going to show you how you can determine that. I'm going to show you how you can peep this out each and every time. Very simple and easy, all right? So I just want to give you guys a little earful. Maybe this video was a little too long. I didn't expect it to be this long, but it's okay. I just want to make sure that everyone is on the same page. So, so basically, what we have is this training starting in about an hour and a half. I'm very excited because I have a lot of, you know, I have a lot of things to share. I want to tap into people's brain. I want to get people to think outside the box. Don't just be, you know, one way. I mean, you have to really think about the market and think about these things when you're, you know, I just want you guys to think. Do not think that it's going to always be a certain way, because the market is not a cookie cutter type situation. All right? Just when you think, oh, the last time it did this, it went down, and you get in on your sell, that's not the way it goes. All right? The market makers are beasts. They will drag you and suck you into a lie and then double back on you. Trying to tell you. Trust me when I tell you. Listen, everybody, you guys should already know Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. Hey, listen, we're like an hour and a half away. I'm excited. I'm ready. I mean, we had a lot of people to join and take advantage of this promotion that we have going on. There's been a lot of people around the clock joining. I'm very excited about it because, you know what? It shows that there's something that I'm doing right. People are starting to realize the difference, and people are starting to put the word out there, and it's a fantastic thing because, you know, myself, I'm not always out there putting myself out there. So now, you know what? I'm glad that I'm taking the steps to be out there, be a little bit more vocal, because people need to realize the truth and the difference in trading when you're looking at things from a different perspective, and that's the main thing. Everything that you may read in a book, it's not gonna give you that experience, like that hands-on experience. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down the market for everyone. Break it down for you so you can comprehend it too. Okay? And the more and more you have this type of wisdom drilled into you, it's gonna rub off. Trust me when I tell you, it's gonna rub off. It has to. It's just the way that life is designed. So, you know, you stick with someone long enough, you'll be like, man, like you guys are talking the same. You know, you sound just like this cat Scott, man. So listen, get connected, you guys. Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. Remember, if you're not connected with us on social media, that's Facebook, that's Instagram. Get connected. If you're not a part of the almost 35,000. I don't know why in the last couple of videos, I kept saying 134. Maybe I'm just speaking it. I'm just putting it out there, you know, and letting it just come back to me. But I'll definitely accept that. You know, I'm always looking for growth. So whether it's 134, 135, or just 34, 35,000 subscribers, I'll take that. Very thankful to have this platform. If you guys are not yet connected with us here, get subscribed. Tap into this mountain of wealth, you know, knowledge that I have, and you know, absorb it, retain it, and use it. Apply it to all of your trades. And remember, we're over there on Vimeo as well. So I look forward to helping each and every one. All right, peace, everyone. See you guys soon.